Hey everybody, Joanne again with Culinary Apple. Hopefully you're liking these videos. We're having fun making them. I thought today I would tell you about the Swedish dishcloths. If you haven't heard about these, they're just little cleaning cloths. They're made of cellulose and cotton, so they're all natural. They've got some really cute patterns and designs. We have all of these different ones to choose from. We're using these at home for disinfecting, and I like them because they're very absorbent. They have a little bit of texture to them, so they clean really nicely, and they can handle the disinfecting solution that you're using. And just as a little tip, a tablespoon of bleach with a gallon of water is perfect for disinfecting your home. So these are Swedish dishcloths. Like I said, there's lots of different patterns. Cat people, we got you. Apple people, this is what we use. We got you covered too. Wine people, we know you're out there. It's cute. And for those that would just like to be in summer already, how about a little watermelon one here? I love this one. We'd love to see you in. We can mail these to you. They're really light, so no big cost for shipping. And you just let us know what we can do. We're open, we're here, and we're ready to help. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you again soon.